What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox and check this Motorola Edge 40 Neos. So let's open this brown box. Right, you get a package at the top. So let's open this, and documentation is there, and also you get the back cover, which is very nice. That's the mobile phone. You're seeing the package because, as you know, these days the Flipkart was delivering with the open box packing. So the delivery boy comes to your doorstep, and in front of you open the sealed box and show you the product, if they are all fine or not. So that's why. Now this is the phone itself, and the look wise is just amazing. As the front side is a curved display, as you can see on both sides. That's a power button and volume rocker button, and back side this is a vegan leather finish, which is like feeling very nice, and the phone looks very premium in your hand. And here you get 150 megapixel OIS camera and one 8 megapixel depth, and also the wide angle camera sensor, and that's the flashlight. And this part is metal, so the in-hand feel is wonderful. At the top you can see Dolby Atmos logo is right there. Another speaker is here, and at the bottom you get the SIM tray, Type C socket, microphone and speaker. So that's it. Now check the box, what you get. So you get a 68-watt charger, which is gonna be very fast, I guess. And that's it. This is a Type C to Type C cable. You can see, so this charger is having the Type C socket, the Type C to Type C. So that's a nice thing, but bad thing is that you cannot use this cable to transfer data to your PC or laptop. That's a downgrade thing. So now let's turn this thing on. So the setup is done, and here you can see this thing is looking very nice, and especially the curved display, and it's very thin, as you can see, and also the weight is very light. I guess I think 190 92 grams kind of thing. So this thing comes with a 5000 mAh of battery, which is huge, and the screen refresh rate is 120 Hz. Here you can see. And now let's check the camera. So here you can see that's the photo. Very nice. And this thing you can see the bezel is very lace, and you get the punch hole display. So that's it. That's all for today. This was an unboxing video of Edge 40 Neo, and later I'm gonna do a detailed test video of this thing. So this is the back cover, and you can see the top side and bottom side is there. The side is not there because of the edge. So fix this thing, and that's how it looks. The same almost, very nice. So that's it. That's all for today. In the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.